Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. In today's video, we are going to break down conditional statements in Python. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video will help you master if-else conditions. So we have four types of statements here: if statement, else statement, elif, and ternary conditional expression in Python. So without further delay, we'll jump into our code. Let's start with simplest one, the if statement. So if statement lets you execute code only if a condition is true. Here is an example where we can check if a number is positive or not. So I will take number is equal to 10 and I'm writing if statement here whether the number is greater than 0 or not, and if it is true then I will print number is positive. We'll execute this. See, so 10 is a positive number. You can see here 10 is a positive number. Okay, in this case Python checks if number is greater than 0. If the condition is true, the intended code which is present here, this is print statement, will run. Since 10 is greater than 0, we'll get the output 10 is positive. If the condition is false, Python will simply skip the block of code inside if statement. No output is printed here. Now what if you want to do something else when the condition is false? That's where else statement comes in. The else block runs if the condition is not true. So we'll try with an example. I'm taking else. I will take this. Simply put, not positive. And I will update this number to -5. So here you can see this statement is skipped and this statement is executed. And here, since number is -5, which is not greater than 0, Python skips if block and jumps into else block. The else statement is super useful when you want to handle two different outcomes. Sometimes you may have multiple conditions to check whether. That's where elif comes. Shortcut of else if. It allows you to test multiple conditions one after another. Let's uh, enhance this, and I'm changing it to negative. After else, we'll write elif if number is equal to 0, then print number is 0. So now we'll execute this. Not updated this number. I'm taking number as 0. So here Python first checks if the number is greater than 0. If it is false, then it moves to elif condition and checks for whether number is equal to 0, and if it is true, then it will execute this set of block, that is print number is 0. If this condition also false, then it will check for else condition. Here, since number is 0, the output will be 0 is number, that is 0 is 0. This way you can handle multiple condition in your code. Now let's talk about ternary conditional expression. It is compact way to write a if else statement in one line. We wrote this in multiple lines, right? We wrote in 7 lines. So this entire thing can be written in one line. Like you can take number is equal to 7. I will comment this out. so that it will number is equal to 7 and result is equal to, I'm storing this result in result variable. So positive if number is greater than 0, else negative, and I'm printing the result. So 7 is the positive number, so here you can see it is positive, as this is spelling mistake. Here how it works: first we have the condition number is greater than 0, and then the value, if the condition is true, it takes positive. final after else Finally, after else, we have the value, if the condition is false, we will get negative value, that is negative 1. Since number is 7, the condition is true and the output will be positive. This is a neat way to write if else in a single line, especially when you want to make your code more consistent and beautiful. Alright, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We started with basic if else. We then added else block to handle cases when the condition is false. After that, we used elif to handle multiple conditions. And finally, we learned how to write elif in one line, that is short and sweet form. Conditional statements are a core concept of Python, and they help you control the flow of your program. Try using them in your own projects and see how powerful they can be. If you are yeah, you can try it for finding the, I'm giving one question, so try to solve that. Find prime numbers. Here you can use if else statements to find the prime numbers. So please try for this question and let me know in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and I will reach out to you. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye bye.